Some rainforest frogs can change their colors, but what are they hiding from? In humid jungles, tree frogs stay perfectly still during the day. Their bright green skin blends with leaves, making them almost invisible to predators. But at night, these frogs wake up and begin their secret rainforest life. With sticky toe pads, they climb trees and hunt insects in the darkness. A tiny frog with perfect jungle camouflage. Follow Wildscope X for more wild animal secrets.